feel overwhelmed and don't know how to calm down? When your emotions take over, do you freeze, cry, lash out, or shut down? Today, I'll show you a DBT skill called Self-Soothe using your five senses that can bring you back to center fast. When we are emotionally overwhelmed, we need to be soothed to feel like we're okay and that our feelings are valid. This was true when we were children, and it's still as true today as adults. When there is no one to do that for you, you have to do it for yourself. To self soothe is a way to comfort yourself using things that engage your five senses, so sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. This skill is a part of DBT's distress tolerance skills, tools that help you to survive intense emotions without making things worse. When your emotions are intense, your body goes into fight or flight. It's not a weakness or a fault, it's automatic. Your body does this to prepare you for danger. But these days, we aren't typically running from tigers. The stress is something from things like being late for work or rushing to meet a deadline. Encouraging the senses helps signal to your brain that I'm safe, I'm okay. And when this happens, the brain shifts back from the amygdala, which is on high alert, back to the prefrontal cortex where your reason can take over. We usually make more grounded decisions from there. So, some ideas for self soothing with sight. You can look at a photo of a loved one, go outside and observe nature, light a candle, watch clouds or the sunset. If it's a clear night, go outside and gaze at the stars. This is one of my favorite calming things to do. Or sit by the river and watch the river go by. It's relaxing. If you live in a pretty town that's walkable, you can take a walk and look at the architecture or gardens. For sound, some ideas are calming music, nature sounds, white noise, ASMR, a voice that comforts you. You can even cope ahead by creating a playlist of soothing music specifically for calming down. Humming regulates your nervous system. If it's raining, you could listen to the rain. That's also a great option for sound. For smell, some ideas are essential oils like lavender or citrus, your favorite lotion, baking cookies, incense. Since smell is linked to memory, choose scents that bring back safe or joyful times. Now, I really love the scent of pine forest, or cinnamon, or popcorn. Some ideas for taste: peppermint, tea, chocolate, sour candy, or a comfort snack. Be sure to eat slowly and savor. Let the taste bring you back to the present moment. For touch, some ideas are holding a warm mug, petting a dog, using a weighted blanket, wrapping yourself in soft fabric, taking a hot or cold shower. A hot bath is another great idea. Touching is grounding, so experiment with textures or temperatures. Another idea is to move your body, and it's not exactly touch, but it's tactile and grounding, so you could rock yourself, dance, do some yoga or stretching. You may like to make a comfort box. So take time to select small items from each sense and put them in one place so that they're ready when you need them. And what soothes you is personal, so pay attention to what your body responds to. Self-soothe is a way to have present moment awareness, calm yourself down, and feel like it is really going to be okay. So let me know how it goes, and be sure to subscribe for more DBT and RODBT skills to help you feel more grounded and effective. Thanks for watching.